everybody, this is Caroline Alizan, an associate in the graduate student of the Grok Trade Mentoring Program. It is Wednesday, January 19th of 2011, and we're looking at the Q's daily chart as usual. So, hope you're all ready to do some technical analysis here with me. So, let's get started. Check this out, guys. Wow, look what we see here on our daily chart. We are making a new high on the Qs today, actually, which is at the 57.26 mark. And what else do we see here? Do you remember this upper area of resistance right here in black, which we've been talking about for quite a while? And things are happening at this level right here at this moment. And also we had that little trend line put here on our chart yesterday. We just put it here at the high of yesterday, which was at the 57.23, and then we actually busted through it, but we didn't close above it to continue to the upside, and we busted through it, had a little bit higher to the 57.26 mark. We made a new high, but then we pulled back down big time. We sold off during the day big time today. And check this out. Where did we stop? We stopped right at the 8 moving average, which is acting as a pretty major area of support at this point in time. And look at this. We closed above it, which is indicating that it's a pretty major area of support to break through to continue to the downside. If we broke through it and then closed below it, as well as closed below that lower area of support right here, the 56.34 mark, then we would be in big trouble. So watch these areas of support here tomorrow to see what happens. If we broke through the low of today, which is at the 56.32 mark, and then closed below it, we would be really in a big trouble. In big trouble right here, big time, and we can sold off all the way down to that next area of support right here, the 55.79 mark. So watch these areas here really closely, as well as watch the upper area of resistance right here and the high of today, which is at the 57.26 mark. And what else can we have here? We could have the beginning of another high base formation here starting at this level, at the high. So pay really close attention to that. If we continue getting little candlesticks right here at this level, then it's a high base formation. We'll need to wait for a breakout to the upside or to the downside. And check this out. The MACD is starting to slow down a little bit. It's indicating that the up move could be over. Is it over yet? Don't know. So that's why we need to wait for that crossover to happen and to show in terms for us to make a better decision. And look what happened here. We're getting an increase in volume here on this big sell-off. So it's telling me here that more people are interested in selling their positions and getting out of their positions there than buying. So be real careful and always trade what you see. Never do what you think. And that's a good phrase to remember. Alright, so have a wonderful day and I'll talk to you tomorrow.